So welcome back again. So of course, Nicole Ams pa rin. So Nicole Nicoleams, Nicole Ams. So if you are not subscribed my channel, please do subscribe and hit the notification bell para ma-notify ka sa aking mga upcoming videos. So today's video, guys, I'm gonna try to cook the eggplant to the air fryer, guys. So I'm going to try the cook eggplant to the air fryer. So first of all, of course, we prepare the eggplant and let's see, guys. I'll show you guys the eggplant. We're gonna add some salt and pepper, and then so we'll see what is the result. Okay, let's see. Let's go. Eggplant. We're gonna try cook eggplant to the air fryer, guys. Let's see what is the result. Let's add salt and pepper. Where's the salt? So that's eggplant, guys. We're gonna try to cook to the air fryer. Yeah, Joy will gonna add a little bit salt and pepper so that and did you put a bit oil?
Tapos na spray ko na.
So spray also, guys, a little bit oil. So let's put it on. Yeah, that's guys.
Parang nakikinita ko na.
Okay. Ano ba?
Na ikaw na magluluto always kasi alam mo na. Kasi prito-prito lagi.
Okay. Ay, hindi siya mag-close. Kasi naka-video eh. Ayan, close na siya, guys. So, what's next?
Pindutin mo yan. Then
here.
Okay, yeah. Sige,
Eggplant. So,
dyan na yan sa fries natin, te. Kasi
fries, okay. Okay na siya?
Oo, sige, yan na lang, te.
Okay na?
Opo.
Then, play.
Ilang minuto? 15
Cooking
minutes
eggplant, yeah. We're gonna cook eggplant, guys, for 15 minutes. Yeah. Cooking eggplant for 15 minutes. You want to go? So let's wait for 15 minutes. What is the result, guys? 15 minutes. Guys, the eggplant.
Uy.
Wow, looks yummy.
Sakto lang ba siya? Tingnan ko. Ganyan talaga yun.
Okay
siya,
lang
diba?
yan siya.
Oo, ganyan talaga.
Yeah, that's the eggplant, guys. Ayan,
yun?
looks yummy. Yeah, very yummy. Looks yummy.
Ano yan, te?
Ayan. Ayan, thank you, guys. Thank you so much for watching. Thank you also to Joy. Yeah. That's the, guys. That's our veggie
For today.
For today's veggie. Bisaya, eggplant. Yeah. Cook.
That's our veggie. Huli. Pareho pala yun ng pronunciation.
So, thank you so much, guys. I hope you, yeah. Next time, guys, you can try the, eggplant. Yeah. Thank you for watching. Thank you.